Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the gender review and I am super excited to share with you today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. So you guys, this is behind the scene on the prep for the gender reveal. So I decided to save some money and use that money towards the baby shower, and for the first time I didn't hire a party decorator. I usually hire someone to decorate all my parties, but you guys, I thought me and my bestie and my sister-in-law got it under control. We sure did at the beginning, but the day of the gender reveal, you're gonna see. I'll let you know what happened later. But here we are, just putting all these balloons together, all these decorations that I got on Amazon. So I got this cute champagne wall. I thought it was perfect to, welcome the guests with some champagne, and it looks so cute. I'm planning to use this on the baby shower as well. It's acrylic and we're just putting it together. Here we are with the struggles and these balloons. Then I decided to make the centerpieces. I went super simple, you guys. I just got baby breathe and that's it. And I put color in the water, and those buckets or bases are from the Dollar Tree. This is how the centerpieces look up close. They came out pretty, and it was super affordable. So now we're moving on to DIYing the cake. I ordered the cake from Sam's Club, and I ordered this stuff to decorate it from Amazon, of course. And we're just gonna add some touches to this blank cake right here, and it's a way of you to save money. I love doing this. If you watch Jaden's birthday vlog, then you know I messed up my first time, but this time I think I did pretty good.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, cause you...
And here we are, the day of the party. There's my sister-in-law, Jaden, the hubby. Everyone is just putting everything together. The day was so nice and beautiful. It looked like it was gonna be the perfect sunny day, which that's what I wanted.
Oh, my sweet baby.
So this is pretty much how the whole setup turned out, which I was happy with, and we just added a table there with the cake later on. But everything was so pretty and simple. And then it started raining, pouring, and windy, and it ruined all the decorations, all of it.
I love you, baby. I will help you be here. I love you, and I hope you be here soon.
Okay. But what do you think it's gonna be? Okay. Hi, baby. I'm your mommy. It's your gender reveal. And whatever you are, I'm going to be happy and grateful because I really prayed so hard to have you right here where you are in my belly. And we are happy. We can't wait to meet you soon. I wish you are a girl, but if you are a boy, I'm going to be okay with it.
Hey baby, I'm your father and I can't wait to see you. I'm a teen girl.
Hola, yo soy la abuela y soy Teen Girl. Teen Niña, pero, ok, Teen Niña, pero estoy preparada. Lo que me venga, lo espero con mucho amor.
Here are some of the yummy food that my mama made. She made chicken paella, she made some plantain, some seafood paella. The food was delicious.
Where's Team Boy? I don't hear you.
So for the gender reveal time, we hired this company. They come and they put this bubble house, it's called, and they have all the balloons inside a plastic black bag, and they fold you, and then they open them inside, and then it's time to reveal what you're having. And it is. It's a girl, you guys. We are beyond blessed. As you can see, the recording didn't do this any justice. The person that was behind the camera was just too excited and didn't really capture the moment correctly. But there were so many tears. My mom, my stepdad, me, my brother. Clearly, we all wanted a girl, and God blessed us double this time around. And yeah, we enjoyed the party. I hope you guys enjoyed this little crazy vlog, but I just wanted to share with you our happiness. I will see you all on another video. God bless.
Baby, I can't believe it was a girl. And I will pray for you